Original balance on the suspense account. A suspense account was opened when a trial balance failed to agree. The following errors were later discovered. A gas bill of $1,680 had been recorded in the gas account as $960. A discount of $200 given to a customer had been credited to discounts received. Interest received of $280 had been entered in the bank account only. What was the original balance on the suspense account? Balance $840. Interest $280. Total $1,120. Gas bill $1,680 minus $960, $720. Discount 2 times 200, $400. Total $1,120. Journal entry and adjusting entry. Transaction. Gas. Suspense account and wrong entry. Debit gas. 960. Debit suspense account. 720. Credit cash payable. 1,680. Adjusting entry. Debit gas. 720. Credit suspense account. 720. Transaction. Discount allowed. Suspense account and wrong entry. Debit suspense account. 400. Credit discount received. 200. Credit AR. 200. Adjusting entry. Debit discount allowed. 200. Debit discount received. 200. Credit suspense account. 400. Interest. Debit bank, 280. Credit suspense account, 280. Transaction, interest. Suspense account and wrong entry. Debit bank, 280. Credit suspense account, 280. Adjusting entry. Debit suspense account, 280. Credit interest income, 280.